one thing that it felt so good about today was feeling nervous at the start. Of course, 87 was on the line, but for me, 86 yesterday was like the wildest number. And then I was nervous yesterday to win the GS Globe, and today the Slalom Globe was already secured. So it was sort of like there's kind of nothing to race for in a way. And I still felt that anticipation, that nervousness, that I wanted to race despite that, which tells me that the motivation is there despite the numbers. And that's what I've been saying, but it kind of took until today to realize that, or to, I don't know, prove it to myself more on. It was like just a personal moment where I realized, oh yeah, no, I want to race just because I want to race. So that's where the motivation comes from. So hopefully this doesn't actually change much of the nerves or the motivation. I mean, I would love to race without nerves because it's really uncomfortable to be nervous, but we get nervous because we're not certain of what's going to happen, and we care about what's going to happen. So I guess I hate it, but I'm okay with it. And now that I'm here, I hope the nerves continue.